You probably wondering why I'm screaming. Well, this is the reason. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chitsanze Waterfall. Shimba Green Lodge, located in Kenya, Kwale County, just a few kilometers from Kwale town. It costs about 100 Kenya shillings to ride a motorcycle from Kwale town to Shimba Lodge. If you have a private vehicle, it will probably cost around 5 minutes from the Kwale CBD to drive to Shimba Green Lodge. Interesting fact about this lodge is that it gives you a nice view of the elephant sanctuary located down below the lodge. It has a swimming pool which directly faces the hills of Shimba. You are able to enjoy the nice view as you swim in the pool. They've got a small sized pool and a big pool which was directly built at the edge of the cliff. Such a nice place for artists to shoot those fire music videos. Honestly speaking, the view is breathtaking. This is a perfect place for a picnic, just coming here and chilling. It has a very nice serenity. I think that other side, that's a wildlife park where you can see elephants. Down below the landscape is the Mwaluganje Elephant Sanctuary. You can probably see the elephants but from a far distance, so they appear a little bit tiny when you are viewing them through your naked eyes. Unless you get a binoculars, that's when you'll get a better view of the elephants. Chitsanze Waterfall is located in that bushy forest down there which you're seeing. Now it's time to buckle up and hit the hike. This is the blueprint of the waterfall. Do we call it a blueprint or what? Yeah, but it's the actual picture of how the waterfall looks like. Chitsanze Waterfall is a hidden gem found deep in the covers of Maluganje Sanctuary. Entrance to the waterfall is 200 Kenya shillings per individual, and another extra top-up to the guard that will accompany you to your hike. The funds collected are channeled to improving the lives of the local residents of that area, who mostly are Mijikendas. It's approximately a 15 minutes walk from the main gate to the waterfall. Through the thick bushes, you will come across elephant feces, showing signs that it is indeed an elephant sanctuary.
For the first time ever, I'm experiencing a waterfall. This is it.
Finally reached our destination, and the scene is just unexplainable.
Huh? Wow. So the origin of hii maji inatoka wapi? Maji inatoka chini. Oh, so it's an underground water. Ah, we're finally at the waterfall. I'm really sweating. Nice. This is beautiful.
Honestly, you need to come down here by yourself and just witness this beautiful creation by the Almighty God.
The water has sands in it, so when the water pours down, the sand comes and hits your back. This is the sand. When it hits your back, you feel, woo! This place is therapeutic, man. I never knew we had a waterfall in coast. This is the first ever waterfall I've ever been to, and the water is very refreshing, man. discovered one thing. This water is edible. You can actually drink it. It doesn't have any salt. Me drinking it. Believe me not, this is not water. This is sweat from climbing the mountain from the waterfall. Star someone. So hapa inadai unapiga trips ngapi? Oh, lakini mtu akikuja mna wait for like 10-15 waongezeke ndo mshuke pamoja. Finally, this experience is amazing, but the journey is way